Here is the quick walk around video for you. S320 1997, 55,000 miles original. Got a couple of I would say this need to be repainted, but other than that, wood is in the perfect shape. Have a little one over here, but almost invisible. The tires are pretty bad, so I'm gonna replace it next week. Sorry, bad car wash. It's black color. Everything is clean here and here as well. No dents and scratches on the roof. Trunk lid in the granite shape. Just a little one over here. Everything is good here. The chrome coating up peeling off a little bit in the places like that. Just dirt. Alright, from the inside, first aid kit and Bose sound system. The roof in the perfect shape. Double memory seats. Phone system is installed. No rips, nothing. Seat in the perfect condition. Alright, let me check all functions for you. Works. Right, now I have a sunroof open. And all seats, all that bench, right? Good. No any lights. Alright, this one, the mechanism. Alright, this one works. Glasses. This double glass window. Alright, everything works here. Everything works here. Alright, let me open the trunk for you. Alright, here is the dipstick for the transmission. Here is the old conductor plate and plug, which we replaced. Here is the full set of the manual books for this car, even testing the audio cassette for the Bose system, Mercedes-Benz. Is the radio code and all kind of manuals. This is the original place where car was purchased in 1997. Here is the CD changer. Here is the original tool set. And the spare tire. Battery is new, so we got everything intact. So no any problems, no damages, nothing. Everything is original in this car, and actually it's in pretty good shape. So let me open the engine bay for you. Sorry. Alright, so what do we have here? Everything on the places where it should be. All the badges and stickers. It's original headlights. Nothing was like turned. I got a second video with the excursion underneath. So here's for the dipstick. So what was done? The common problem of those engines is U-shaped timing chain cover, gasket, and valve cover gaskets. So it was replaced. Actually, I got a receipts for it. Then we just replace. It's pretty expensive job because it takes about 20 hours to replace it. Then we replace the conductor plate on the transmission plug, the connector, which is usually goes bad after like 10-15 years and oil get through it in the transmission model. So it was done. Then we replaced the transmission fluid, filter, gaskets, and put it in the place. So now it's have no any codes, so condition AC works fine. So here is the car. Alright guys, tell me if you're interesting. Bye.